Note that some features and parts shown may not be present on this model and may not represent production bikes. Ensure to read all assembly instructions in full before beginning the build of your new bike. Do not ride a bike that has not passed 100% safety verification before each ride, as described in the pre-ride safety check in the kit instructions. Begin by loosening the handlebar clamp fasteners enough to adjust the angle of the handlebar to the rider's comfort. Then, cross-tighten the handlebar clamp from corner to corner, ensuring the clamp is tight and the handlebars do not move. Continue by torquing the fasteners to specification. Next, loosely install the provided washers and fasteners into the underside of the upper triple clamp. Leave enough room to later slide the headlight and windscreen bracket into place. Then, slide the headlight and windscreen assembly onto the fasteners, and ensure the assembly is square and facing straight. Ensure no cables are pinched between the assembly and the bike. Continue by torquing the fasteners to specification. Before continuing, turn the handlebars from full left to full right, and ensure the cables are not pinched between the headlight and windscreen assembly. Then, align the arrows on the headlight connectors and connect the cables. Ensure the connections are fully seated. Next, identify the left and right pedal by finding the L or R on each pedal. Then, install one pedal onto the corresponding crank by tightening it until fully seated. The right pedal should be turned clockwise to tighten, and the left pedal should be turned counterclockwise. Continue by torquing the fastener to specification. Repeat this process for the remaining pedal. Next, inflate the tire to a max pressure of 35 psi. And ensure the tire is fully seated on the rim. Once properly seated, deflate the tire to a recommended 27 to 30 psi. PSI will vary based on the weight of the rider and type of terrain. Repeat this process for the remaining tire. Next, align the tracks on the battery with the battery bracket, and slide the battery up until it clicks into place. Then, ensure the battery is fully seated. To remove the battery, insert the key and twist to unlock the battery. Then, slide the battery down to remove. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.